Assalamu alaikum and welcome. Today, we'll go over 30 questions to learn more about Islam. Let's begin. Who is the final prophet in Islam? The correct answer is Prophet Muhammad. Which holy book was revealed to Prophet Muhammad? The correct answer is the Quran. How many times do Muslims pray each day? The correct answer is 5 times. What does the term Islam mean? The correct answer is peace and submission. In which direction do Muslims pray? The correct answer is towards Mecca. Well done so far. Let's keep learning. Who is the first prophet in Islam? The correct answer is Prophet Adam. What is the night prayer called? The correct answer is Visha. What is the Islamic term for charity? The correct answer is Zakat. Which month do Muslims fast? The correct answer is Ramadan. How many chapters, surahs, are in the Quran? The correct answer is 114. You're doing great. Let's keep going. What is the meaning of the word Quran? The correct answer is reading or recitation. What is the place of worship for Muslims? The correct answer is mosque. Who is considered the father of the prophets? The correct answer is Prophet Ibrahim. Which angel brought the revelations to Prophet Muhammad? The correct answer is Angel Gabriel. What is the Shahada? The correct answer is the Declaration of Faith. Halfway through. Let's keep learning together. What is the first chapter of the Quran? The correct answer is Al-Fatiha. Which city was Prophet Muhammad born in? The correct answer is Mecca. How many pillars of Islam are there? The correct answer is 5. Which prayer is performed before sunrise? The correct answer is Far. Which prophet is known for building the ark? The correct answer is Prophet Noah. You're doing amazing. Let's continue. What is the meaning of Alhamdulillah? The correct answer is Praise be to Allah. Which Islamic celebration marks the end of Ramadan? The correct answer is Eid al-Fitr. What does Psalm refer to? The correct answer is fasting. Who was the first caliph after Prophet Muhammad? The correct answer is Abu Bakr. What is the Ummah? The correct answer is the Muslim community. Just 5 more questions. Let's finish strong. What is the largest chapter in the Quran? The correct answer is Al-Baqarah. In which Islamic month is Hajj performed? The correct answer is Dhul-Hijjah. What is the Arabic word for God? The correct answer is Allah. Who is known as the seal of the prophets? The correct answer is Prophet Muhammad. What is the reward for fasting in Ramadan? The correct answer is forgiveness of sins. Alhamdulillah, we've completed all 30 questions. I hope you enjoyed the quiz and learned something new. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Jazakum Allah khair. Assalamu alaikum.